Okay, maupo na lahat ng mga kids.
And of course, partner, habang inaantay natin ang ating mga maglalaro, we would like to say thank you very much sa ating monetary major sponsors, Madam Marisa Guido Enriquez and family,
Sabihin ko.
Miss Marilyn Certeza Feliciano, Animal Bike Clinic and BJF Motor Parts, Madam Rosa Wayan and family, Ponderosa Events Place, Congressman Jack Duwavit and family, Oliva family, Ma'am Karen Sines and family, Mr. and Miss Dean and Alice Bezos Torres, Miss Vilma Malyari and family of Benmar Lights and Sounds, Sir Ian Servo and family, Sir Roland Leonardo Paez and family of Carlene's Black Chinta, CAC Chocolates Pantok Branch, Ma'am Maria Teresa Laspiri, Miss Olivia Lobario.
SB.
Salamat po.
SB daw po. Ate Biway. Ate Biway. Okay, so ang lalawin natin ay paper dance. Sasayaw muna. Kapag tumigil ang tugtog, pupunta sa papel, mananalo. Okay? Paliit lang, paliit lang. After nito, magka-clown star.